Guys, we're given this typical question. Says calculate the position of the centroid of the channel section in figure 6.12. All right, this is what we are given, by the way. So we have to calculate what the position of the centroid. All right, so we want y bar and x bar when you're determining the center of the centroid is occurring when these two will intersect. Where they will intersect, x bar, as you can see, there's no need to calculate. We can just, it's exactly the, if you can see x bar is simple, just that x bar, remember, if you cut this object in the middle like this, do you see the left hand side of the section and the right hand side is the same? So if this happens, that means x bar, if your object is like that, you take the base. I've discussed about that. Take your base there, right? Then you divide it by 2. That base there, you take your base, you divide by 2, you'll have your x bar. Only if this left hand side, if you cut this portion going to that side, they are symmetrical. You see, symmetrical means that they are the same. However, y bar, we cannot calculate y bar like that, because if we are finding y bar, if I take a line straight like this, if I cut it there, you see the top portion and the bottom portion, they are not symmetrical. So we are supposed to calculate y bar using our formulas. So, all right. How can we go about that? Okay, x bar will simply equal to what? We have the base, but we have this base there, the distance there, hopefully given is 200, plus these pieces there will be 250, right? 250 divided by 2 is 100 and what? And 25 millimeter. Pretty straightforward. But however, y bar, we have to calculate it, y bar. All right. And then now if we're taking y bar, we'll have to consider the whole of this. You have to consider the whole. We have to consider the whole of this object. You can call this number 1. This can be rectangle 1. This can be rectangle 2. This can be rectangle 3. You can cut this like this there. You can cut and form up the rectangle there. You see, you cut this, you'll have the second rectangle like that, and also this one you cut like that. You cut, you'll have this the little one there, the middle part there. So this is how you go about. We have 3 rectangles. So you can start by this one, and then you see, if I'm cutting like this, you can also do like that. It's up to you which one do you prefer. So all right, so we'll use this formula. We know, guys, y bar, the total there of this y bar, it's y bar total, y bar t, you can say total will be area 1 multiplied by y1 plus area 2 multiplied by what? But because by y2 plus area 3 multiplied by y what 3. Divide this by the total area. Total area will be area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. So this is what's supposed to have. We're supposed to get our areas. So can start. Let's find our area 1. Let's get our area 1. I don't know which one you will prefer. Okay, it's up to you which one that you'll prefer. Okay, this one will be area 1. This side I can call it 2. This will be 3. So From that, I see this was what you have 200. So this will be 200 multiplied by what? This piece is what is 15. Is 25. So I will have area 1, the 200 multiplied by 25. Obviously, since I've substituted this in millimeter, our answer will be 5,000 millimeter squared. This is what I have. Now let's go to, let me get area 2. Area 2, I said, is this portion. The height there is 25. There we have the base there, which is 25, is 225. The base is 25. So we have 125 times 25. Right. So this will typically be 3125 millimeter squared. So what about area 3? Area 3 will be similar to this one. Here we have 25. Also this height there will be same, again will be 125. So will be similar, will have the similar thing, will be similar to area 2 there. Will have 125 multiply 125. This will be 3125 millimeter squared again. So those are similar. All right, we have these areas, 1, 2, 3 areas. Now we have to get y1, y2, and y3. So after that will be good. Okay, let's check about y1. Remember, those are the centers. We're talking about the centers of our objects. So object 1, the center here of the first object, there, if I cut it there in the middle, here we see we're talking about there, that will have y bar 1, y, you can call that, it will be y1. The smaller distance there will have 25 divided by 2, will divide by 2, will be 25 divided by what? By 2 then, right, which is 12, will be 12.5 millimeter. Then you go again to this one, but this they're identical. 1 and 2 is the same thing. You will have, okay, we go to the middle there. If I cut there in the middle, I want this distance from the bottom surface, obviously, till the center here. That will be what? Will be 125 divided by 2. When 125 divided by 2 will be 62.5 millimeter. So this will be the same also. Again, from there, this, since this portion and this portion is the same, so we'll have y, can say y2 bar will be the same as y3 then. So we've seen that y bar 1 is equals to 12.5. Then y bar 2, it is what? The 62.5 will be the same, millimeter will be the same as y3, will be 62.5 millimeter. These are the same. All right, we have everything now. Now we can sum up all of our thing. We can use our formula now and substitute and get the y bar. All right, we can get this, can do like that. Can have we're talking about, yeah, we want this, we know we have that. Now we're supposed to substitute this. We'll use our equation and substitute what we have there. So y total, y bar total there, this is our total one. Anyway, area 1, let's substitute area 1 is 5,000 millimeter, would be 5,000 multiplied by y bar. I said y bar is what? Y bar is called that way. It was 12,5, isn't it? 12,5 plus area 2 there, the area 2 there is 13125, whereby it will be the same as the one of the, all right, will be 3, whereby will be the same as the area of 1325 multiplied by y bar, which is 62.5. Remember, this will be the same, or we have also can just square. Actually, I can, okay, let me just do this again. We'll have 3125 multiplied by 62.5, because they are the same. Still, you remember that. Now here we'll divide this by the total area. The area here, it's area 1, which is 5,000, plus area 2, 3125, plus area 3 is the same as this one, 3125. Right, then we punch that, we'll get this y bar total. What will be our y bar total there? All right, so this simply give us, if we punch that, 40, I'll have there, I'll have my 40,27. I will have I think 77, but since it's this, you can round it to 3 decimal place. If you round it to 3 decimal place, this will be what, 8, 10, this is millimeter. Right, that is our answer there. That means it's when we'll have the center of gravity, yeah, will be there somewhere there. We'll indicate it somewhere there. We'll have it our y, which is 40. All right, will be somewhere there. If you draw, you can draw it 40, maybe somewhere here, maybe where you cut there, yeah, something like that. So this is our y bar. This is what you're supposed to know. All right, guys, yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, may you kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video.